Imagine modern convenience fused with urban luxury. Welcome to the Brix at the Packing District in Orlando. It's the pinnacle of exclusivity and elegance. Your new home awaits here. The Brix is an upcoming gem in Orlando, Florida. It's located near downtown and College Park, and this intimate community offers a blend of sophistication and a peaceful ambience. So today, I'm gonna walk you through the heart of the Brix and show you why it's becoming the go-to choice for home buyers. By the way, my name is Miguel Malagon with EXP Realty in Orlando, Florida. And if you'd like to know anything else about buying, selling, relocating, or investing in real estate, feel free to contact me. All of my information is in the description below, and I'd love to connect with you to talk about your specific needs. Before we jump into the tours, I want to give you a quick community overview. The Brix offers 135 three-story luxury townhomes, each offering optional rooftop terraces. So with sizes ranging from 1,449 to 2,059 square feet, these residences are designed to impress. Architectural styles span from urban to industrial, promising a unique aesthetic appeal. For the location and accessibility, it's situated in a prime location where residents enjoy proximity to top-rated schools, diverse shopping, dining options, and the cultural hub of College Park in downtown Orlando. Plus, it's easy access to major highways such as Road 408 and the I-4, and the best regions attractions just at your fingertips. For amenities and lifestyle, the life at the Brix means embracing a low-maintenance lifestyle without sacrificing luxury. So the community boasts of a dog park and a mew with park-like settings for relaxations and social gatherings. This is between the buildings, right? And so imagine stepping out of your door into a world of convenience with amenities such as the Orlando Tennis Center, the YMCA Family Center, and a vibrant food hall just a walk away. Adding to this convenience, a public supermarket has recently opened less than a mile away, perfect for all of your daily needs. Moreover, the upcoming Great Southern Box Company Food Hall is set to open in the summer of 2024 and will feature 11 door vendor stalls, 2 outdoor patios, a microbrewery led by Orange County Brewers, and a sprawling 5,000 square foot event space, enhancing the community's lifestyle offer. Okay, now that we've gone over some of the community, let's embark on this exclusive tour of the Brix as we step inside into these luxurious townhomes. You're gonna get a first-hand look at the unique features and details that make this community the ideal place to call home. In this property tour, I'm gonna be showing you 2 models that are available for quick move-in. The first one is gonna be the Sampson, starting at $560,000. Entering from the courtyard, you're gonna find a 3-story modern townhome with 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 2 half bathrooms, and a first level office or flex space, and the home also includes a 1-car garage. Open kitchen concept features ample cabinet space and counter space. And the kitchen boasts of quartz countertops, upgraded cabinets, KitchenAid appliances, and the tile floor in the main living room areas, and then the luxury vinyls are on the third floor. Now, as we walk through to the rooftop, you can see that this particular model home offers a rooftop terrace overlooking the beautifully landscaped community and the YMCA, the tennis court, with the grill, lounge space, perfect for entertainment. The next tour we're gonna give is of the Nova Elite Modern 2 model. And it's priced at $740,214. This 3-story townhome spans 2,059 square feet and includes 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Ready for immediate move-in, it features a stunning kitchen with modern finishes, including an upgraded backsplash, cabinets, and waterfall island. The home is equipped with high-end Jenner appliances, including a gas range and an extra oven. The flooring is a mix of tile and luxury vinyl. The great room's tall windows flood the space with natural light, and the large French doors on the first level lead to a secondary bedroom and bathroom, not shown in this video. rooftop deck offers views for the community areas. The outdoor area is designed for summer kitchen, grilling, making it a perfect place for entertaining. Okay, so that was it. So don't miss the chance to be a part of this exclusive community. The Brix at the Packing District offers an unparalleled living experience. If you enjoyed this tour and would like to schedule a visit, send me a message. Also, remember to share this video and subscribe to the channel for more tours. Ciao.